guys, welcome to Top 10 Destination YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys top 10 cheapest country to visit from India in 2021. So, let's get started. Traveling is not a hobby for people like us. It is a way of life, a requirement to get through the monotony of daily living, and the most important factor to consider when choosing a vacation place is to budget. Everything hinges on it, particularly if you choose to go worldwide or nation. International travel is full of adventure, excitement, and most significantly a myth. One of them is the high cost of going internationally. But let me be clear about one thing, it is not necessary. Let's remove the notion by looking at the cheapest country to visit from India. Everything is determined by country you select. Traveling is a distant country can simply done by on the same budget as a domestic vacation. Yes, it is needs extensive research, meticulous planning, advanced reservation, and adventurous spirit, willing to confront any challenge. But that is just where the joy lies. The following are the 10 most affordable countries to visit from India. Number 1. Nepal. Nepal is a lovely land of snow peak and stream mountains, yaks and yatis, monasteries and enrichment hidden in the majestic Himalaya. Nepal provides a tranquil and quiet setting for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city life. And for adventure seekers, it is the ideal destination to get an adrenaline rush without breaking the bank. It is one of the most affordable nations to travel from India. Number 2. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, which is the greatest place to visit in 2021, is known for its stunning beaches and delicious cuisines. Photographers will enjoy the gorgeous scenery, flora and animals, rural lifestyle and ancient artifacts. Tourists must obtain a permit to photograph Sri Lanka's most ancient moments. If you are on a budget of 500 to 700 should be enough for a day journey. The cost of a night stay might be as low as 700 to 1000. Not to mention that it is one of the most affordable nations to visit from India. Number 3. Bhutan. Bhutan, sometimes known as the Thunder Dragon, is situated between India and China. It is regarded as the happiest country on the planet. Tourists can immerse themselves in the rich culture of Bhutan, visit mountain monasteries and participate in the vibrant Bhutanese festival. Adventurers can go exploring in the country outdoors. Prices for lodging and dining are normally comparable to those in India, depending on the type of option available. It is one of the most affordable nations to travel from India. Number 4. Philippines. For beach lovers, the Philippines is a dream come true. The Philippines is a place not to be missed, with an average of 700 islands, monuments, lush green wood and endless beaches. Local transport, lodging and food are the most affordable. Flights are the most expensive part of the journey to the country. For those looking for the cheapest nation to visit from India, it is incredibly reasonable. Number 5. Indonesia. Indonesia is home to one of the most popular tourist destinations, Bali. But the country is much more than that. Active volcanoes, huge beaches and lofty mountain ranges can all be found here. Visiting Indonesia between April and October is the most effective alternative, with accommodation price falling by 30 to 60%. For a day, average of 1000 to 1500 should suffice. One of the nicest thing about it is that one of the most affordable nations to travel from India. Number 6. Vietnam. Vietnam is one of the South Asia's hidden beauties, with lush mountains, vibrant cities and gorgeous beaches. It is well known for its long history and distinctive heritage. You will stay in a backpackers hostel. A night stay can cost a little rupees 1000. In a mid-range restaurant, you may get a filling huge lunch for around 800. If you are on a budget, cheaper option will set you back around 500 to 700 each day. It is one of the most beautiful and affordable country in the world to visit from India. Number 7. Laos. Laos is a Southeast Asian country with a wide range of green shades. The environment with its dark forest, vivid green rice field and shining tea leaves on the mountain is a visual feast. Its Buddhist monasteries and French architecture are equally well known. Dorm rooms are most affordable alternative with rate ranging from 400 to 800 per night. Food is very cheap whether at high-end restaurant or on the street, with price ranging from 100 to 300 rupees. For 150 to 300 you can rent a bike for sightseeing within the country. Number 8. Thailand. Thailand is the place to visit whether you are a beach bum, a party animal or a historical buff or a foodie. Visakhapatnam is the cheapest airport to fly from India, with tickets starting rupees 3,200 rupees. Thailand has low cost of living, with hostels costing as little as 500 rupees per night. Street food is a wonderful low cost choice that costs less than 200 rupees. Beer can be purchased for a little as 150 rupees if not less. Thailand is one of the most cost effective nations to visit from India. Number 9. Maldives. Maldives is famed for its blue water, color aquatic life and exotic spas, and is popular for luxury honeymoon vacations. For scuba diving lovers, the undersea world is a paradise. The cheapest place to stay are guest house, which start rupees 1,500 rupees per night. Local restaurants are inexpensive, with portion ranging from 60 to 120 rupees. A day in a Maldives cost between 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, depending on area, transit, lodging and meal. Number 10. Malaysia. Malaysia is well known for its rainforest, beaches, pleasant climate and scenic views. Hotel stay can be had for as little as rupees 600 if booked in advance. On average, food in Malaysia costs around 300 rupees. Malaysia's public transport system is well developed. You can purchase public transport card rupees 2,150 and recharge them for 150 rupees or more. For a day in Malaysia, a budget 1,000 to 2,000 is sufficient. These are a few of the places on visit list, the cheapest nation to visit. On a budget friendly trip, you can have a great time in this location. So that's it for today's video. Please share your thought in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future video update. Bye bye.